The light bulb. Before the light bulb. Life in the dark. For most of human history, people got up at sunrise and didn't do much after sunset because there wasn't much light indoors and traveling in the dark was dangerous. People could easily get lost or fall and hurt themselves. Of course, people lit their homes before the light bulb, but there were lots of drawbacks to these early sources of light. Candles, for example, didn't give off much light. Wood fires took a lot of effort to build and gave off unwanted heat when the weather was warm. Some species of whales became almost extinct because the oil in their blubber was used as fuel for oil lamps. Accidental fires were a problem with all of these light sources, and with the gas lamps that became popular in the 19th century. Inventing the light bulb, Edison's innovation. Electric lights existed before Thomas Edison's light bulb, but they were expensive and unreliable, and the lighting was very dim. One reason is that early inventors could not come up with a proper filament, which is the tiny wire that runs through the center of a light bulb. When the filament heats up, it glows, which is the source of the bulb's light. Before Edison, inventors made filaments from metals that would catch fire at the slightest heat. As a result, the bulbs burnt out very quickly, or the filament would burn so hot that the bulb would explode. Starting in 1878, Edison experimented for 2 years before he came up with a charred bamboo filament that provided 1,200 hours of illumination. How the light bulb changed things. The impact. As a smart businessman, Edison realized the potential in selling both light bulbs and electricity. He quickly started a company to supply electricity to customers, and in 1882 his first power station lit up 59 homes in New York City. Almost every part of our lives has been affected by electric light. Think about all the things people do before sunrise or after sunset that would not have been possible before the light bulb. Today, factories that would have shut down at night can run around the clock because of the light bulb. The headlights on all sorts of vehicles, including ambulances and fire engines, allow for safe travel after dark. And nighttime activities that we take for granted, from sleepovers to concerts to reading in bed, would be more difficult or impossible without electric light. The light bulb also led to lots of other inventions, because once electric outlets were installed in homes, many inventors realized that things other than lamps could be plugged into these outlets. They then got busy inventing all sorts of home appliances, like the toaster, dishwasher, and electric fan, that make our lives easier and more comfortable.